Hello and welcome back to Emily Educates How to Use Technology. Today I will be explaining, by using simple steps, how to iMessage. Feel free to pause the videos when you wish so that you can follow along at your own pace. First, open the Settings app on your device and ensure the switch is turned on next to the word iMessage. Next, launch the iMessage app. It looks like a green bubble with a white speech bubble in the middle. Tap the Compose button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Next, type in the contact of the person you wish to message. Next, you can type in the message you wish to send and you will see the words come up on your screen. When your message is complete, you may send the message by pressing the arrow button next to the message. Well done, you've done it. You have successfully learnt how to iMessage on any Apple device. Thank you for watching Emily Educates How to Use Technology.